कैसे हमारे information from the area. I'm going to present how the evaluation of effect on anthematical distribution of the support on stability of pressure vessels using exchange. Basically, we know that pressure vessels are any container that sustain the pressure, that has the capacity to sustain the liquid and gases under pressure. But when the pressure is exposed to when the pressure vessel is exposed to this pressure, the material compression is to the pressure loading from all the air. Basically, my pressure vessel is used for the fuming process. Fuming is a process in which benzene and propene are collected together to form the phenol and ethanol. These two products are very useful products from the raw material benzene and propene. The load condition for that fuming pressure vessel. The internal pressure is 150 psi during the fuming formation. The pressure vessel is in the region of wind, where the wind speed is 44 km per hour, and then the self-weight of the vessel itself and that of the reactant inside will be considered as the self-weight of the vessel. These are the pressure vessel dimension. The diameter of the pressure vessel is 40 feet, and the overall height is 108.53 feet. These are the other dimensions. These are the leg support dimension. I have considered leg W6/15. These are the dimensions for the leg support. What are the basics of leg tube? When the pressure vessel manufacturer prepare the pressure vessel, then they think that the shift of 10 degree or 15 degree does not make the difference when the wind load acts on heat. But it makes a considerable difference. I have to show that in my paper. And the stress develop how differ if the number of legs are changing or the position of legs are changing. In my case, the support type, when we design any pressure vessel, from the stability point of view, cut support is useful because it gives good stability. But in the case of the fuming process, it requires a control panel to place below the pressure vessel. So cut support is not possible. And if we consider the size and dimension of the control system, only the possible support is the leg support. Leg support combination. We can provide the 4 leg support. If we can provide 4 leg support, the angle between them is 360 divided by 4, that is 90 degrees. If provide the 6 leg support, the angle between them is 60 degrees. But the requirement of the process is that we provide the control panel below the pressure vessel, and we have 80 degree opening from one side. So there is the angle disturbance. If we check 80 minus 80, is 280 divided by 5. So we get the unsymmetrical case as that is 80 degree from one side and then 280 divided by 5, that is 56 degrees. These are the cases for my analysis. This is the 4 leg support with 90 degrees. We call it as a 4 leg symmetrical support. This case is a 6 leg 60 degrees, 6 leg symmetrical support. And this is the company requirement, that is 80 degree opening from one side to provide the control panel from below it, and other angle are 56 degrees. So we call this as a 6 leg unsymmetrical support. So the cases for analysis are the this is the for the 4 leg support I have considered this case, that is when the wind load acting perpendicular to it. Wind load acting perpendicular to this line, that is I have calculated 14,485 Newton, and the internal pressure below it and all legs are fixed. Then I shift the angle by 45 degrees. This is the second case. If you again shift the 45 degrees, we get the same case. So in case of the 4 leg support, I have 2 cases. In case of 6 leg support, again this one case and shifting of angle by 30 degrees. Again shift by 30 degrees, we get the same case. So in case of 4 leg and 6 leg, we get 2 cases. In case of 6 leg unsymmetrical case, I have considered this as a first case. Then we have to cover this 180. So I have shift angle by 15 degrees. This is 15 degree angle. Again, this is another case. Again 15 degrees shift to cover the 180 degree. So 180 divided by 15, I have considered 12 cases for the unsymmetrical. This is the wind load calculation. I have referred the pressure vessel design manual by Davis Scott. These are the structural categories. The pressure vessel is for the process of phenol. So it comes under the category C, and the exposure category is outside the, it is not inside the chamber, so it is outside. So it comes under the D. The basic wind speed is 44 km per hour, when converted into miles per hour it is 27.5. I have calculated the the wind load from the overall height and the diameter 40 feet and 108.53 overall height. So I get the wind load as a 14,485 Newton. I have created the model of that specific dimension in the workbench. The material used is a structural steel SA51670. The meshing is created for the pressure vessel body. I have taken the 1 meter sizing hex dominant element, and for the leg support I have considered the two cases, that is 70 mm and 75 mm, and the rest 1 meter is same for the both the cases. Boundary conditions, all the leg supports are fixed. The internal pressure is 150 psi and the wind load is 14,485 Newton. These are the elements I have used. For the leg support I have used the tetrahedron element, and for the pressure vessel body hexahedron element. When this is the model after boundary condition applied, this A is the all leg supports are fixed, this B is the internal pressure 150 psi, and this wind load is perpendicular to that. These are the stages in FE analysis. That is, model is created, meshing of the model with the proper sizing, applying the boundary. These are the results for the 4 leg support. This is for the 70 mm. I get the maximum result, that is displacement in the leg. Area of interest is the leg support. So I got the 1 for 36 mm and the stress value is 8.81 e raised to 7 plus in case of the 4 leg support. And for these are the 4 cases. These are the results. I get the maximum displacement here and the maximum stress value is here. For the 6 leg support, I got the maximum displacement is 1.44 mm and the stress value is 8.80. If you compare with the 4 leg support, this is the similar 8.80 in case of 6 and in case of 4 that is 8.81. But in case of the unsymmetrical support, I have considered the 12 cases, and again for the 70 and 75 that is 12 into 2, 24 cases are there, and for the shift of 15, 30 up to 180. So I got the maximum stress value at 165 degree shift. The stress value, displacement value is 1.58. If you consider in case of 6 leg, it is 1.44. And for stress value is again increasing 1.264. So we get the maximum displacement and stress value in case of 6 leg unsymmetrical case. This is the most probably dangerous case. These are the maximum values for the 4 leg support. We get the maximum stress value is 8.81, which is similar for 6 leg and 4 leg. And for the 6 leg, 80 degree opening on one side, we get the 1.26 e raised to 8. So my conclusion is we get the maximum stress value in case of the 6 leg unsymmetrical case when the shift of angle is 165 degree and the maximum value of displacement is 1.5825 mm and the maximum value of stress is 1.264. If we compare the factors, that is in case of the 6 leg symmetrical case and 6 leg unsymmetrical case, this is the factor exceeding 8.80 into 1.46 value of this. I can conclude that if shift of angle shows a considerable difference because many a times manufacturer doesn't consider that angle of shift doesn't make a difference on that. But the result shows that the change in the displacement and stress value shows a considerable. So my future scope is in case of the 6 leg, the company requirement is what 80 degree opening requirement for the placing the control panel, and we have to provide the requirement. So I can increase the cross section. Right now I am using the high section of W6 by 50. So the standard available for W6 by 20, W6 by 24 for meter dimension. So we can increase the cross section and find out how the value do not exceed in case of 165 degree case. Then that 8.8 is the regular value for the 6 leg.
Those reflections that you talk about the order of mm. So what are the order of springs? Are they between elasticity and yes. How do you know that? So that is a question. For such heavy wind blow, the reflections are so much. Then they want to use the plastic definition. They bend and then they stay like that. They don't come back into the definition of plastic.
The stress value does not exceed the.
That's why the model equilibrium system, which essentially takes into account of the linear stress strain relationship, throws in some values that you use. Those values of deflection, if you if they are so cute, let's say it is getting reflected by 5 centimeters.
Not correct.
No,
Reflection is
I'm saying
very small.
the deflections that you have obtained, have you ensured that much if you deflect so much, then still will they be within the elastic limit? That is the question, because if it doesn't, then perhaps you may have to use another model. Do you agree with me? This is one point I think is where you need to look into, because if the discussions are so high, the supplier will give some results. If they are so few, then perhaps it could be that the stress conditions within the system is exceeding what you can show your last limit of water is done by a spokesman. In which case, it requires another model in which there must be not much. You agree with me?